So, have you paid your income tax? A Malaysian company director was actually fined for 10 million ringgit for avoiding 3 million worth in tax. Holy crap! That's 3 times what he didn't pay. That's right. If you don't pay your taxes, you could get 20,000 ringgit in fines, 3 years jail time, or worse. Oh, and yes, you'll have to pay triple the amount you owe. If you're watching this, there's a good chance that you didn't pay your taxes either, so... For your jail-avoiding convenience, here's a simple guide to paying tax in Malaysia. First things first, you need to have a minimum monthly income of this oddly specific number. Get it? Cause it's an odd number? Never mind. This can also be seen as a yearly salary of 34,000 ringgit. The amount you will be taxed increases based on how much you earn. To find out how much you earn, you should be able to get an EA form like this one from your HR department. Just fill up the form, here, maybe there, total it all up, and Viola! There's your yearly salary. If that number hits 34,000 ringgit, it's time to pay. As a first-timer, you're gonna have to go to a Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri office branch, or LHDN for short, where you will queue up in a long line of people and fill up the necessary forms. Or you can do it online and maintain your sanity. With the help of modern technology, you can easily just submit all your details in this website. They even have a very convenient step-by-step guide. Oh boy! Using your identification card number, you can check your request status right here. Once you're registered, you can start filing your taxes online as well. But you're gonna need to obtain a PIN code from an LHDN office branch. This online form will automatically calculate how much you need to, pay. Pro tip time with chili sauce. You can actually reduce the amount of tax you pay by keeping the receipts of things that are under tax relief. This includes things like medical expenses for parents, life insurance, books, and even your PC. Just remember that you need these receipts as proof, so you should keep them for up to 7 years. And just to be really safe, you might even want to photocopy all the receipts. Because who knows when a meteor might strike and incinerate all the original copy of your receipts. If only the dinosaurs knew. The other reason why you need to keep your receipts for so long is to show proof to auditors that might just suddenly show up at your doorstep. But the odds of this happening are pretty low, and you'll most likely receive a letter in the mail as warning. So as long as you're following the law, there's really nothing for you to worry about. If you follow this guide accordingly, you should look something like this and not this. But seriously though, the risk of tax evasion far outweighs the loss from paying tax. So let's just be good citizens and set aside a portion of what we earn to obey the law. After all, these taxes go to making roads and building schools. Sometimes though it goes to having parties and stuff. Just try not to end up like this guy. And remember to pay. So keep it here on Chili Sauce to find out useful tips about Malaysia. And also be wary about exploding dinosaurs.